Today we are in Dresden!
Watch, discover, admire. Dresden is one of the most beautiful cities in Germany. Perfect for a weekend trip. We'll show you our highlights. Dresden in 3 minutes.
Take the S-Bahn line 2 from the airport to the city center.
And 20 minutes later we are at Dresden main station. And now we are going to the old town.
The Church of Our Lady is the landmark of Dresden. It was almost completely destroyed during the Second World War and reopened in 2005.
The view from above is really beautiful. Fun fact, Dresden is often compared to the Italian city Florence.
Dresden is simply great for people interested in culture. This is the Semper Opera. A guided tour starts at €7.
We admire the many figures in the courtyard of the Zwinger and then look forward to our hotel.
What about a great hotel in the middle of the old town? We recommend you NH, and the link is in the video description below. On sunny days you may have a walk on the Frauenkirche Terrasse or you relax on the other side of the river. In Neustadt there are many alternative shops and cozy cafes.
The Kunsthof Passage is really a nice place. We treat ourselves to a delicious cake.
The Fundsmolkerei is the prettiest milk shop of the world. Here you can buy several milk products and a glass of fresh milk costs just €1.
For these tiles, tourists come from all over the world.
With the Dresden City card you can take bus and tram for free and you get discount for many attractions and restaurants.
In the Gläserne Manufaktur, in English Transparent Factory, you can see how Volkswagen cars are produced.
The big garden is a great place to relax. Take the tram lines 10 and 13 to come here. It's good to go out of the city for an afternoon. Take the cable car in Loschwitz to enjoy this beautiful view.
And for the evening we have a special restaurant, the Sophienkeller.
Tschüss from Dresden.
And what do you think about Dresden? Write us a comment.
And Prague is just a 2 hours drive from Dresden, so watch our Prague video.